I'm not comparing myself to all the jags out there who have been doing this for 3 years and say, oh, I'm this awesome prosecutor, I'm this awesome criminal defense attorney. No, you're not. You're not. You're at the bottom of your game, right? And there are maybe a handful that are working towards it, but I want to compare myself to the elite. I want to surround myself with people who are better than I am, who are freaking the best criminal defense attorneys in the nation. If you do that, now you're competing with the 5%, the 3%, the 1%, and you realize that there's a lot I can learn. And if if that's what your competition is, you're only going to get better. If you are kind of like mired in the mud and hanging out with a bunch of people that are losers in life or think they're great and they're not, you're going to descend to their level. And I'm telling you, that's the wrong thing to do, at least if you want to have any success in this world. If you're a military service member and you're stationed in Okinawa, mainland Japan, Korea, Europe, or some far-flung location, and you need a lawyer who actually has the ability to travel there and win your case and not take a vacation while he's out there, give me a call and we can do a consultation. I'm at 813-669-3500, or you can look us up at www.bileckilawgroup.com.